Welcome to Skincare Queen, everybody. In this special video, we are going to deep cleanse our pores. This DIY video is very, straightforward. It's very simple, and it's going to help, clean your pore. It's a treatment that you should do at least twice every week. If you have oily skin, you can maybe increase it to 3 times, but 2 times it's perfect for all skin types. If you have extremely dry skin, I don't really recommend this, but you can just do it once if you really want to try this. So we're going to deep cleanse our pore using oil, and my oil of choice today is sunflower oil. Why did I choose sunflower oil? It's a softening oil. It's a non-comedogenic oil, meaning it's not going to clog your pores. So it's a very safe oil to use to deep cleanse your skin. So let's go with sunflower oil today. I chose it because it's one of the top non-comedogenic oil. If you see a lot of videos showing you how to use castor oil to deep cleanse your pore, you need to be careful. Castor oil often clog the pores. The comedogenic ratings of castor oil is very high, so you don't want things that will block your pores or that will cause breakouts. So it's safe to use sunflower oil. So what you need is sunflower oil. I like to use tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is good for the face. It prevents breakouts. It's because of its antifungal and antibacterial property. It helps also to soothe the skin and prevent infection. So we're going to use tea tree oil. Then we're going to need, I would say, a bit of hot water. So right now I warm this water on the stove, then I added a bit of water just to dilute it. I don't want it to be too, but the first thing you want to do is to mix the oil. I will be using 2 grams of the oil, 2 grams of sunflower seed oil, then we're going to add like 2 to 3 drops of the essential oil. Okay, I have it here, sunflower seed oil. I'm using the organic version, so look in the description box below for where to get your home organic version. Then I'm going to use 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. So sunflower seed oil, 2 grams, then 2 drops of tea tree essential oil. You don't want to use too much essential oil on your face because they're very powerful. Make sure your hands are clean. Then you're going to rub this together. Then we're going to use our fingertips to apply this on our face. Fingertip application. Okay, you're going to use the fingertip to apply this all over your face. This part is very essential because we want this oil to get deeper into our pore to cleanse our pores. So we're going to apply it, and you're going to rub it with your fingertips. Rub it in a circular. Remember what I always tell you on this channel, circular motion will help the product to further go into your skin. So you want to rub it. Avoid the sensitive eye area because we put essential oil in this and it can affect your eye. So don't let it get into your eye. And the best time to do this treatment is at night. Okay, do it at night before you go to bed. You need not worry about this oil. Sunflower seed oil is non-comedogenic. It's not going to block your pores. Don't forget, you need to do it in a circular motion. And the good thing about this oil, sunflower seed oil, is a softening oil. So it's going to soften your face and make you, look younger and more radiant. Make sure you do this 2 to 3 times a week at night, preferably at night. That's the best time to make it work. Okay, so after that, take your time to rub it, okay, for 2 to at least 3 minutes. Don't leave it at 2. Rub it for 3 minutes with your fingertips. So once you're done with that, the next part is very important as just the first part. So make sure you take a face towel. Do not use any regular towel. I have my hot water here, not too hot. Remember, I diluted the hot water. Okay, so you don't want something that's too hot on your face. The hot water is in this bowl right here. Then you're going to dip in your face towel. Okay, dip in your face towel, just a little bit of dip. Remember, see how it is? I just dip it in lightly. Then you're going to use it to cover your face. The essence of it is to make, you know, the heat from the hot water to allow the oil to penetrate your pores, to cleanse it. We're going to go again. You're going to squeeze that out. Go again. Then finally, the final part is to use the dry part of this towel to dry our face. Or you can take another towel. Okay, take another dry towel to dry your face. And that's it, we're done. And this is a fantastic deep pore cleansing process we have to do every week. You ask me, okay, how do I do this? I'll tell you the best way to do this. If you have a dry skin, okay, if your skin is dry, make sure you use it at least once. Do this once a week. If you have a dry skin, do this once a week. If your skin is oily, please do this 2 to 3 times a week. Okay, if your skin is oily, do this 2 to 3 times a week. Now, if you have regular skin, you're good to go. You can just do it. Regular meaning normal and combination skin. You can do this twice a week. And don't forget, after this treatment, you make sure you moisturize your face. Use a moisturizer of your choice. Make sure you use a moisturizer that matches your skin. That's exactly why you do this. What's the benefits of doing pore cleansing? Pore cleansing will help, unclog your pores. It's going to prevent excess oil production. Then it's going to give you a more, the more you do, it's going to give you a tighter pore, a younger looking appearance, and chances of breakout will be reduced to minimum if you do this every week. I know people will be like, beauty is pain, but it's wonderful when you look good, and that's what we do best on this channel. As a professional cosmetic formulator, I formulate great and stable skincare. But also, I teach you simple DIY steps to take proper care of your skin at home. And that's why, if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well by clicking the subscribe button below and notification icon to be notified when I upload new video. I have an exciting news for you. In my next DIY video, I'm going to show you how to make another very important skincare product that will change your skin around. So if you have not subscribed, don't forget to click that subscribe button now, and that notification icon that will notify you anytime I upload new videos. If you have any question about pore cleansing or about general skincare, feel free to drop in the comment box below. If you have any question about this short pore cleansing routine that I just showed you, also leave your comment in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in my next video.